Good morning. Welcome to Georgetown. It's many faces I've known for ages. And a lot of new faces that I'm happy to see. You guys may know Phoenix from the drone side, from the drone space, but the irony is that a lot of our customers, just like you, use that same drone equipment on a manned helicopter.
Georgetown Tower, helicopter 544 Bravo Bravo.
Helicopter 544 Bravo Bravo, Georgetown Tower.
It was about 2013 that we started doing drone LiDAR, and that was our bread and butter for a long time. But with drones, you can only scan so much, and as you start to get into bigger and more diverse projects, you need different ways to be able to go out and scan. So I think this event is to really put our name out there as, one of the big companies that is offering aerial LiDAR and not just drone LiDAR.
When you go unmanned, it's the big stuff. It's the good sensors, it's the bigger jobs. You want to be acquiring the most accurate data in challenging environments. So that for me, that's my love. I like doing challenging things and make them look easy.
It's not as daunting as it seems. The way you collect is the same. The workflow is no different. It's just now in an aircraft versus on a drone. Really, a lot of the customers just need the confidence to see that they can do it. And if they can see that we're doing it, they can do it too.
So we just landed from a test flight, a demo flight here in a Robinson R-44 helicopter. That helicopter was equipped with their U-120 LiDAR sensor. The U-120 is just an excellent all-around sensor. It's both designed to be equipped on a UAS platform or a helicopter platform. From a business perspective, being able to calculate ROI on multiple different delivery platforms, being a helicopter or a drone, is just pretty tremendous. There's really no substitute for being hands-on. Being in the aircraft, watching their mission guidance program run, and being able to see a live feed from the LiDAR sensor. That's just tremendous in multiple reasons in the operation. I love to see them pushing further into recognition, holding a place in the absolute top tiers of airborne LiDAR systems.
At Pioneer, we fly a lot of manned surveys with rotorcraft, so helicopters all over the world, but we are new in the fixed wing space, so this is a great opportunity for us to come out and see the fixed wing operations live and get a chance to go up in the aircraft. We flew the Cessna 182 with a 240 sensor and phase 1 camera, similar system to what we have, and it was neat to see how it performs in a fixed wing. They had an operator on board and we were just along for the ride, and it was great to see more detail in terms of being able to interact with him in the flight and get a lot of information and tips, and it always helps out with keeping the edge against other operators out there to know all the ins and outs of the software.
Our technology helps customers improve efficiency and ultimately ROI by riding in kind of a sweet spot and existing in this place where you can either automate tasks or get in and fine-tune them. There's really a lot to learn, and there's a lot of things that can go wrong in the data and that can need adjusting. Ideally, you'd like to have kind of a one-click wizard that does it all, but it's invaluable to also have that ability to get in and change just a couple parameters in order to make one part of the process behave in a way that it needs to. Spatial Explorer is a great way to have control over the settings when you need them, but also have a software that's simple to learn and a workflow that's pretty easy to implement.
Many companies, they'll be more than happy to sell you their products. And what we get with Phoenix LiDAR, we're not just investing in the system. We're not just investing in the hardware or the software, but we're truly investing in a business partnership, is the way that it feels working with Phoenix LiDAR. As far as support goes, I'm not sure I could think of a better company to work with. Whether I need to call a guy's cell phone from the side of a ramp, sit next to an airplane in New Mexico, or I'm right down the road from their headquarters, they just go above and beyond to make sure that their clients are satisfied.
The improvements that our customers see with our systems is reliability. They can confidently go to the field with the right tools. Starts with a planned mission, then it goes with the right settings. They don't have to guess. They can have a single profile where this information is going to be repeatable. Mission after mission, they can run the same settings. For the specific customers that want a specific integration type, we can provide that extra camera. We need the dual phase ones. We need triple camera RGB, different angles. We can do all that. Our business has been based on that, basically, is that we can provide those custom solutions.
One thing we look at internally in our company when we're working with new suppliers is how good their technology and products are, but sort of more importantly is the support aspect. And Phoenix is definitely one of the leaders in that respect and why we work with them. You run into successes and challenges with every part of the business, especially when working with very high-end technology like this. And having a company like Phoenix by our side the whole time to work through those challenges is really what sets them apart.